Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can extend the time to the screen timeout here at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Yeah, after some seconds the screen is turning dark, like in my case here right now, and I will show you now here how you can extend that. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then you are here at the control center, and the part of the control center is the symbol for the settings. Just tap it. Now you need to scroll down here on the left side to the point display. And here the right side, you need to scroll down now to the point screen timeout. By default, it's 30 seconds, but you can extend it here, of course, to 1 minute maybe, or at maximum, I recommend to you to 2 minutes. The screen is taking here the most energy, so you should really take care for how long you will set it up. And I recommend to you to add this feature here as well, because if your eyes are on the screen will stay turned on. So a pretty nice tool. So the cam is detecting your eyes, and the screen is turned on then. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.